What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a ramen burrito, which is pretty much just a noodles in a burrito shape, I guess. I don't know. So, let's get to it! Okay guys, so your first step is get your ramen noodle packet, preferably Maruchan or Top Ramen because it's in the little package thing, not in a bowl.
Look at the flick of that wrist.
So you can roll it up easier. But the first thing you're gonna do is smash your ramen. So you gotta. Oh, I do not want to pop the bag. So.
2 hours later.
Are you serious?
Okay. On to the next step. Okay. The step number 2 is you have to open it from the top only, because you don't want anything falling out. And grab your packet of beef flavor, whatever flavor you have. Put that to the side for a second. And you can break any unbroken pieces in the bag. And now you're going to have to pour your flavor stuff into the bag. So, that worked out well.
Two hours later.
We're going to have some low flavor quality because it's all on the side of the bag. I don't want to lick it because I don't want to get sick now. Okay. Now that you put your stuff in there, it's time for step 3. Okay, step number 3 is you gotta get your mug or cup or whatever container you're holding your water in and fill it up with water. Now, put it in the microwave. Yeah, that's the 3rd step, okay. Got your aqua, which is still cold, even though it's not hot. Open the microwave. And then, I have no idea what to put this on, so I'm just going to put one there.
No, you wait. Haha. Fun.
I'm very fidgety, so.
2 hours later.
Done. Okay. So, part 2 of step 3 is you gotta pour your water into this. But I'm gonna pour a little bit of it out forced. Yep. That was the wrong one for this one. Okay. I'm gonna take this over here. Pour it in there. Ow! Actually, they didn't burp, so I'll just... Okay. Now please don't leak. Let's go. Okay, you gotta break this little piece up that hasn't been broken yet. Okay, now you gotta squish it all around, I guess. I don't know. I mean, I do know, but... Okay. Pour a little more water in there. Oh, jeez. This is the most stressful video ever made. Okay. So, it feels really weird. I don't want to be... very squishy. Okay. Now, pour the whatever the word is for too much water out. No, my ramen. Pour your ramen out on water. Ah! Come on, have a layer. Oh my god. Oh yay! All the water's out after like 3 hours of pouring, and you're ready to mold your potato burrito. Okay, now, oh, hold on. I almost skipped right to step 4, so let's get into step 4. First off, on step 4, you gotta tighten the bag and fold it over. Oh, well, hold on, let me get my towel first. So you gotta get your towel. Preferably a gray with a checkered pattern. Not checkered, you know, whatever. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, get your towel. Get your burrito mold bag, ramen, whatever. Fold that over tight. Put that right here. Fold this over tight. Hold on. I'm not good at folding. I never do it. Okay, then fold it tight. Tighten that. Fold it, and then you let it sit for 60 seconds. Because I don't have a timer on me, I'm going to use my microwave.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Okay, beginning of step 5. Take your burrito mold thing up. You gotta unfold it. Unfold it again. Unfold it and then you got your thing. Take this out. Now you gotta rip it. Oh, it actually worked. Well, I'll be darned. Got yourselves a ramen burrito. Thank you, Brandon Polnick, for this idea on this video. Like, before I finish eating, I wanted to give him a shout out. Even though, like, he has like 41,000, I have 45. But it's okay.
Look at the flick of their wrist. Look at the flick of their wrist.